birthday? Well, happy birthday. The Phillies will win on your birthday.
Let's get a picture together.
Let's do it. Make memories that will last a lifetime.
For sure.
Good thing. Who's is this just because of your birthday?
Just because of my birthday.
Wow. Look how many friends you have.
I have a lot of friends.
Yeah, not me. I'm here by myself looking for my cousin. Happy birthday. I'll see you guys later. Captain Ken, did you lose some weight? You're looking good. Yeah, you're looking trim. All right. There it is. That's my favorite string band, Aqua String Band. Now we're looking for my cousin. Never Live. How you doing? Is Eric here?
No, Eric.
Eric, our cousin Eric. I swear to God, he's tailgating right here. The whole beginning of this vlog was me looking for my cousin.
You did. You found him.
I know, but you're not the one with the beard. Oh, well, you do have a beard. Looking for my cousin Eric. There's my cousin Kevin. We're looking for my cousin Eric. Here we are.
Let's go, baby.
It's going good.
We need a W tonight.
We need a lot of W's, but today would be a good day to get a W. I agree. You know, I text him, I'm looking for him, and he's like in the middle of this crowd. How the hell would I even find him with his back facing everything? Yo, he knows I'm looking for him. I'm like, yo, where are you in the lot? He's sitting backwards in the chair where there's no way I could identify him. I didn't find you, but I found our cousin Kevin. He's 3 trucks over. What a crazy world. Now available, the Philly Captain Ring the Bell shirt, linked in description of the video. Let's fucking go. Thank you for buying it. Here, give me a high five. What's it, Christmas Eve? The whole family's together. Wow, look at this.
Haven't seen you, buddy.
Here we are, Citiz Bank Park, home of the Philadelphia Phillies, and my good friend Luke.
Hey, Captain.
What's going on, Luke? How you? Put your drink down. There's going to be a lot of high-fiving and hugging going on here. How you doing?
I'm good. I'm a big fan. I follow you guys. Rich.
That's Luke. There he is. The other day.
We won last night 4-3, by the way.
Right.
We came back. We were down 3 after being down 3-0.
Right.
We came back.
No, that's why they call us the Fightins. Never give up. Never say quit.
Yeah, let's go.
That's my favorite beer vendor. Give me one. Woo! No, do that. Let's go. Do it. Get your beer here.
Cold beer. Beer's cold as my heart.
Oh, wow. The gloomy beer salesman. Check him out. Are you always here?
I move around. It depends on where I can be.
But I like the gloomy beer salesman. Beer is cold as my heart. Let's go. Tomorrow I won't be here. I will be making my pro wrestling debut in the city of Philadelphia. We got a big crowd today. You can see there's a lot of hot dogs on the hot dog machine. They're rolling. Jen is getting the buns ready. It's exciting. But be careful. TMZ might be lingering around. It's Josh, the Prince of the Water Ice Kingdom. Josh, how are you? I'm doing fantastic. What a good day today it is for a baseball game. Today they were giving out an NLC championship knit cap just in time for summer.
Yeah.
What's your name?
Ben.
Where are you from?
Lansdale, just outside Philly.
And more importantly, do you put ketchup on your hot dog?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, no problem. It's all right. Where are you sitting?
I have no idea. That was a surprise.
Oh, okay. Well, have a good time today, man.
You too, man.
Good seeing you at the park.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, how you doing? Hello.
I love you all the time. I love your videos by Adam the Woo.
Yes.
Oh, I love
We
Adam.
love
Oh, God bless Adam the Woo.
Yes, we love you.
Wow, you're doing the same thing too. Let's go. Where you guys sitting?
On 145.
Wow, hoity-toity, good seats. That's where Adam the Woo sits. I always sit up. That's why he's more successful than me. He sits down there. All right, I'll see you guys on the internet. You know what they say? It's always fun in section 301. Yo, Oscar, what we doing? Oscar's not here yet. Okay, let's go back. Wow. Calvin, there he is. Calvin, where are you going? Oh, Calvin Stoller, how you doing? Sid!
The captain!
Sid, I'm so glad to see you, bud. Phillies are going to win today, right?
Sid!
I'm starting to like this way. Ah, those whiskers! Damn it, Sid. I love you, but I hate those whiskers. All right, I'll see you at the 3rd inning, bud. Mwah. Mwah. Wow, See you, bud. Go ahead. There he goes. He's going to build up speed. Yes, he did it. Here they go. And also, I just saw a raindrop. The game was supposed to start at 4:05, and they pushed it up to 3:05. Looks like that. Why do we have to take our hat off for the national anthem and not our sunglasses?
You know what? I don't even know.
Huh? Home run, your Philadelphia Phillies! Let's go! 1-0. Nick Castellanos. Uh-oh, the bell's ringing again. The security. Let's go! Phillies take the lead. 3-1. It's windy. It's extremely windy. There should be nothing but home runs hit today. It's just windy. I'm surprised there haven't been 100 home runs already. Listen, Connor, we need lights out from you. My videos get more views when the Phillies win. Help out the old captain.
You're on YouTube, right?
Sometimes. So we're at the we're at the top of the 5th, and as you see, the line for Philadelphia water ice, it's a mile long. Philly captain tip: get the water ice at the beginning of the game. But my question is, what is a better movie? Bad News Bears, Walter Matthau, or Sandlot?
I don't know. I really like Sandlot. I did watch Bad News Bear more growing up because I think I was 17 when Sandlot came out. The Sandlot is great. I think I like that. I think I like that a little bit better than Bad News Bear.
Bad News Bears has profanity.
It also has drunk coaches and kids riding motorcycles.
It's a pretty awesome movie. This is a base from last year compared to a base.
Yeah.
That's a base from last year with a base from this year. That's pretty, you can buy them.
I'm sure there's some sort of math problem there.
The National League Championship trophy, look at this. Making memories that will last a lifetime. All right, we got it. Let's go.
Thank you.
Let's check out the engravings. The Warren C. Giles Award. How exciting. And on the side here, they have all of the scores. San Diego lost 2-0. All right. See you later, Statch Trophy. Tomorrow is my best friend's birthday. Happy birthday, Philly Fanatic. There we go. Wow. You want to sign it, Brett?
I do want to sign.
Happy birthday, Philly Fanatic. Hope you like crap. New at the ballpark, the Mother's Day hat. Some flowers and roses. What color is it?
Pink.
Is it pink? All right, well, I'm colorblind. It's a disease I deal with every day.
But it's
Bad News Bears or Sandlot?
Sandlot.
Bad News Bears, Walter Matthau. I'm not talking about that, Billy.
Hands down.
Wow.
Let's go, Phillies!
Let's go, Phillies! Let's go, Phillies! What? We run this place! Let's go! Nick Castellanos! 2 home runs, 1 game. And that home run would not happen unless it was a windy day. Woo! Buy me some peanuts and Cracker Jacks. I don't care if I ever get back, cause it's root for the Phillies. If they don't win, it's a shame. For it's 1, 2, 3 strikes to Randy old.
It was only $500.
Well, you got 4 of them, so it was $110, right? 100 and what?
130. We had to buy a shot. Otherwise, it wouldn't sell it.
Oh my God! What a racket! Top of the 8th inning. The Phillies are winning 4-3, but over
It's coming fast.
over yonder there is a storm. Now the game is official.
41,939. The Phillies and Rockies.
You know, a lot of people ask me, they go, hey, Captain, how do you get to go to so many games? Well, here's the deal. I use SeatGeek. And if you download the SeatGeek app today and use promo code the Philly Captain, I can save you $20 off your first order, $50 or more. And the fun thing, I checked the game before the game started today. You could have bought a ticket in section 129, row 8, $70. And with that $20 off, it's a $50 ticket. And you probably would have saved about $50 on that ticket if you would have used SeatGeek. I didn't, I'm up here. It's always fun. It's 3:01. So, let's go. One more out, and we're singing. Let's go! Let's go, Phillies! Let's go, Phillies! Let's go, Phillies! Got him! Let's go! Bring that down! And the raindrops start to fall the second the game ends. How exciting! Let's go, Phillies!
There's a lot to do. So
Once there was a silly old man, thought he'd move a rubber tree plant. Anyone knows an ant can't move a rubber tree plant, but he has high hopes. He has high hopes. He has high apple pie in the sky hopes. So when you start to feel it low, instead of getting low, just remember that it. Woo! Whoop, there goes another rubber tree. Whoop, there goes another rubber tree. Whoop, there goes another rubber tree plant. Let's go, Harry! The hunt for Red October!